Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video, still beauty related, makeup related, but I'm just going to be having my friend Cameron, who you've seen in a video a long time ago, do my voiceover. So I have no idea what he's going to do or say. I didn't tell him anything. So we're just going to see what he does. And yeah, if you still want to know the products I used on my face and everything like that, it will be listed in the description box. So you could just follow along with the tutorial or listen to what he has to say. Who knows? So I will see you in my next video.
This is Amanda. Cameron. And welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be putting on some powder, sharpening those cheeks, and bruising your eyes. And then I'm going to use this cream to basically... And then I'm going to wipe that shit all over my face. It's a little sticky. It's a little itchy. But we're going to make it work. Oh. And I got some crusty ass. Some crusty ass forehead stuff. And you just rub that shit all over. Oh. And then you grab the nearest little cookie you can find, and then on to the naked nars. Nars naked. Just put a dab on that brush, forehead, cheek, and chin. Dab, 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 dab. You really got to work it in there. Yep. And the next thing up is draw a tiki bird looking thing under your eyes and in between your eyebrows and dab that shit all the way in. Now you're just going to keep dabbing. Dab, 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 dab. Make sure you close one eye pretty tight so you don't get pink eye. And just keep dabbing. Make sure you get a good look at what you're putting on your face. And then you want to take the whitest cream you can find and stick that shit under your eyes again. Chin. And you're just going to brush that. Next up is some tanning powder. Now you're going to put that shit all over your cheek. Oh, make sure you get your cheek bone. We want to look like Skeletor. Make sure you get that hairline. And all those baby wisps. Chin. And make sure you got a stink look. And then make sure you're taking a break to check your phone in between doing makeup. It's good for your posture, and because we all know that doing makeup is hard. Gotta take a break. Next up, you're going to put on some more bronzing stuff and make sure you're only getting your cheekbones. The most important thing I'm realizing is under your eyes and your cheekbones. And everything else is just whatever. Now, we really want to make our nose shapy. So we're going to... Oh. Never mind, we're going to take a break from that. Back to the cheekbone. And you just put some white cream on the side, because we don't want to look tan all over, just in one spot. Oh, then we're going to take a peachy powder and put that shit on top. Make sure you purse your lips. And more white powder, but this time, oh, yep, once again, under your eye. It's always under the eye. And you're just going to brush, 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 brush. Bam. Next up comes those eyebrows. You basically want to draw them in until there's just an engravement in your eyebrows. The harder you press, the better. And then you're going to use cabana, because your eyelids are basically like a cabana for your eyeballs. So that's why it works. Just brush that into your eyelid with one eye open. Next up, you're going to take a 4 square of rainbow patches, and whichever color you like the best, rub that shit all over your eye. Up and down, and then, then you're going to pick inheritance, because we all need some inheritance. Put that shit on your finger, and then you put that straight from your finger to your eyelid. The more shiny, the better. Oh, I missed a spot. Now keep going under your eyes. Basically, you're going to have some bruised ass eyes from pressing on them, but it's okay. It's all for the cause. And your face might be stuck in a position for a little bit after from all the straining, but it'll go back. Oh, now you're going to take some more glitter gel looking powder, and you want to get straight underneath your eyebrows. Don't miss a damn spot by your eyes. Everything needs some type of something. Don't forget that forehead, the cheekbones. Oh, and make sure you look at the camera a few times and give it a little pow pow. And then lips. No, not all of us can afford Botox like Kylie Jenner, so we're going to draw that shit all the way on. Oh, yep. And then rub that shit in. And dab it. Really give it a and then dab that shit on your lip. So basically, after bruising your eyes a little bit, covering that up, making sure your cheekbones are sharp as hell, give yourself a few little looks, and you're good to go.
I'm in the VIP, I tell ya.